Welcome to the Meridian National Computing Center, MNCC. We are excited to have you on board and look forward to supporting your research. We would like to remind our users that Chimpy, our proprietary internal AI management solution, has alleviated the stray dog problem from our on-site premises and will no longer be an issue. This guide provides the essential steps to get you logged in and running your first computational jobs on our systems. You will receive a welcome email from our operations team with your username and initial password. Our supercomputers are Linux-based systems. The primary way to access them is through a web application called Open On Demand. All jobs on our clusters are managed by Slurm. You submit a job script to the scheduler, and it finds the right computational resources, compute nodes, to run your job when they become available. A job script is a simple shell script, usually bash, that contains special #sbatch directives at the top. These directives tell Slurm what resources you need. Here is a basic example of a job script named my_first_job. This script is a set of instructions for a supercomputer's job manager called Slurm. First, it tells Slurm what resources it needs to reserve. It asks for one computer, a node, from the compute partition, reserving it for a maximum of 1 hour. It specifically requests that this computer have 4 CPUs and 8 gigabytes of memory. It also gives the job a name, my_first_job, and tells Slurm to create 2 files, one for any normal output and one for any errors, using the job's ID in their names. After Slurm grants those resources, the script then runs a series of commands on that computer. It prints a hello message, the name of the computer it's running on. Chimpy AI will monitor all user sessions on the login node. Do not be alarmed. Chimpy will alert you when he is watching you directly. Chimpy is here to protect the system from nefarious activities. When a security incident is identified, Chimpy will kill the current user's session and delete all files within the user's home. To avoid this, do not do anything Chimpy will assume is bad, I guess. We have a new solution created by our very own Chimpy. EtherChimp is a real-time network traffic analysis tool designed specifically for MNCC researchers to monitor the cluster environment. It transforms complex network data into a dynamic visual representation of all network activity. Instead of just seeing numbers, you get an interactive node link graph. This allows you to see communication at a glance. EtherChimp provides many search functions. Using the search icon, you are able to search for host names, IPs, MAC addresses, and even packet data. Other buttons include TCP streams, node lists, threat monitoring, and a settings menu. The settings menu can change the node graph layout, themes, and jiggle. The Chimpy icon will allow a Chimpy to navigate the network and display uber cool stats along the way. Now, ain't that something? If you can think it, you can imagine it. Apptainer is an open-source container system built for one main purpose: portability for scientific and high-performance computing, HPC. Think of it like a digital box. You can package an application along with all its dependencies, libraries, and data into a single, easy-to-move file. This single file, called a container, can then be run on almost any Linux system, from your laptop to a massive supercomputer, and it will work exactly the same way every single time. We would very much like to thank you for watching this informational video. Remember, if you have any issues, just ask the admin.
I'm the admin.